Welcome to Law Made Simple, your trusted guide to understanding legal processes. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive step-by-step guide on filing a case in labor court. In the next few minutes, we will walk you through each stage of the process in simple, clear language. If you are dealing with workplace issues such as unpaid wages, unfair dismissal, or breach of contract, you've come to the right place. Our goal is to make legal procedures easy to understand, even if you have never dealt with them before. We'll break down the process into manageable steps so you can take action with confidence. This guide is designed for workers, employees, and anyone who needs to protect their employment rights. So grab a notepad and pen, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to do. Introduction. Filing a case in labor court might feel like an uphill battle, but with the right knowledge, it becomes a clear path. In this video, you will learn how to take the correct legal steps to address workplace disputes. Whether your issue is unpaid salaries, wrongful termination, or workplace harassment, the process can be navigated with confidence. We'll be breaking down each step from understanding your rights to receiving a final judgment. Our approach will keep everything straightforward so you're never left guessing. No complex legal jargon, just plain and simple explanations you can follow. Think of this as your personal roadmap to the labor court process. By the end, you will be equipped with both the knowledge and the confidence to take action. Step 1. Understand if your case qualifies. Before you invest time and energy in the legal process, you need to know whether your case is valid. Some of the most common reasons to approach labor court include unpaid wages, denied benefits, or being terminated unfairly. It could also involve a breach of your employment contract or unsafe and hostile working conditions. Workplace harassment, discrimination, or exploitation are also strong grounds for a case. Each country and region has specific labor laws, so it's important to review them or consult an expert. Sometimes, what feels unfair might not be legally recognized unless it meets certain criteria. Understanding your eligibility early will save you both time and frustration. Once you're confident your case qualifies, you're ready to move forward. Step 2. Gather all evidence. In legal matters, evidence is your strongest weapon. Start by collecting your appointment letter or employment contract. This is your foundation. Gather salary slips, bank deposit records, or any proof of payments owed to you. Save written communications such as emails, messages, or formal letters exchanged with your employer. If colleagues witness the events, try to get their statements as well. Organize these documents neatly. Courts appreciate clear, well-prepared submissions. The stronger and more organized your evidence, the easier it will be to prove your case. Remember, what you can prove matters more than what you can say. Step 3. Approach the labor office/conciliation officer. In many regions, filing directly in labor court is not the first step. You must first visit the labor office and submit your complaint. Here, a conciliation officer will listen to both sides and try to resolve the matter informally. This stage is meant to save time, money, and effort by avoiding a full court trial. Sometimes, disputes get resolved here without the need for legal proceedings. If the negotiation fails, you will receive an official reference or permission to file in court. This document acts as proof that you tried to settle the matter first. Skipping this step could delay or even block your case, so don't overlook it. Step 4. Draft and file your complaint. This is where your case officially begins in court. You'll need to prepare a statement of claim, which is essentially your legal complaint. It should include your personal details and your employer's details. State the nature of the dispute, the facts, and a detailed list of your evidence. Clearly mention what relief you are seeking: reinstatement, unpaid wages, compensation, or other remedies. Make sure your document is clear, concise, and free from unnecessary details. Once complete, file it with the labor court in the area where your workplace is located. Keep a stamped copy for your own records. This is proof of filing. Step 5. Attend hearings. When your hearing dates are scheduled, attendance is not optional, it's mandatory. Being absent without reason could weaken your case or even lead to dismissal. On each date, present your evidence in a clear and structured manner. Listen carefully to your employer's arguments and be ready to respond. If you have witnesses, ensure they are present and prepared to testify. Maintain a professional attitude at all times, even if emotions run high. Courts value calm, respectful, and factual presentations over emotional outbursts. Your conduct during hearings can influence how the judge perceives your credibility. Step 6. Await judgment. After all hearings and submissions are complete, the court will take time to evaluate the evidence. The judgment could take days, weeks, or sometimes months, depending on the case. If the verdict is in your favor, the court will specify the relief or compensation you are entitled to. You can then use legal channels to enforce this decision if your employer does not comply. If the judgment is not in your favor, don't lose hope, you may have the right to appeal. Appeals allow you to challenge the decision in a higher court with new arguments or evidence. Remember, patience is key, legal processes are rarely quick. Stay informed, follow up, and make sure you understand your options at every stage. Tips for a strong case. Success in labor court often comes down to preparation and timing. First, always keep a written record of workplace incidents. Dates, times, and details matter. Gather evidence as soon as problems arise, rather than waiting until the last moment. Act quickly because labor laws often have strict deadlines for filing complaints. If your case is complex, hiring a labor lawyer can greatly increase your chances of success. A lawyer will know how to present your case effectively and anticipate counterarguments. Stay professional throughout the process, even outside the courtroom. Your credibility, consistency, and organization will all work in your favor. Conclusion and call to action. Filing a case in labor court may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely manageable. By understanding your rights, gathering strong evidence, and following the proper steps, you can stand up for yourself effectively. Remember, the law exists to protect workers and ensure fairness in the workplace. If you're facing an issue, don't be afraid to take action, your rights matter. Thanks for watching Law Made Simple, where we make legal information easy to understand. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like to show your support. Subscribe to Law Made Simple for more practical legal guides and tips. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update.